Hi guys! Sama kayo sa amin. Nandito nga pala kami sa SNR and tingnan nyo na nga naman, September pa lang, ang dami-dami na sari-saring mga bilihin ang nakadisplay na dito sa SNR, mga pang Christmas. And nakakatuwa and natutuwa din si Michael. Sabi niya, September pa lang, no, ang dami na daw mga binibenta na pang Christmas. Kasi sa Amerika daw, bawal na mag-celebrate, magpatugtog ng mga Christmas song, bawal magtinda ng kung anek-anek. Hindi hanggat hindi pa natatapos yung kanilang Thanksgiving, which is November pa yon. So, yun, sabi ko sa kanya, ganun talaga, pag sa Pilipinas ka, September pa lang, ay, ganun, marami ka na makikita mga Christmas decoration. And nakakatuwa dito guys, ang daming buy one, take one, and meron dito mga nakaset for exchange gift, and mga pangregalo para sa Christmas. Meron na as in, ibabalot mo na lang siya, ganun. So, yun, so, kumain muna kami dahil nga 5 PM na to. And sabi ni Michael, baka daw magsara yung food court ng maaga kasi dumating siya. Ganon. So, kumain muna kami, tapos saka kami mabibili. Actually, yung purpose na to kung bakit kami nandito ay para lang talaga bumili ng food processor. And ewan ko na lang, good luck kung ano pang mabibili ni Michael dito.
We'll try the Monterey this one.
It's cheap, it's spicy.
No.
Look.
Oh, this is the Monterey. Yeah, Pepper Jack's a little spicy. It has jalapenos in it.
Oh, maybe it's yummy. How much is that?
But it's yummy. How much is it?
Nalulula ako sa presyo ng mga cheese dito. Dahil grabe, ngayon lang nakakita ng ganitong kamahal ng mga cheese. Grabe. Nanginayang ako sa pera para bumili pa ng ganyan. Cheese kayo dyan, guys. Daming cheese. As in all. I don't know.
Okay.
Which one? Which one you get? Which one did you took? Oh, okay.
What?
Oh, this one. Oh, Monterey. So, bumili din kami nito. Food processor. Tapos, sobrang tuwa niyo, oh. First time niya makabili ng gatas. Yeah, are you happy that you finally bought your milk? Yes, love?
We'll see.
If it's good?
We'll see if it's
This
good.
is American product. Yeah?
It's the way Americans make milk, yeah.
Okay.
So check out.
Maltesers. Look. How much is this? $129. That's a lot. Brownie. Brownie cookie.
Those sirloin patties there? They have Blue Bunny ice cream.
What is that?
It's an American brand. It's a very good ice cream. And actually, I think is that green?
Yes.
That's sherbet.
Pistachio almond.
Pistachio ice cream.
This one is cookies and brownies. Another one, super fudge brownie. Sa point na yan guys, nagdidebate kami ni Michael about sa, sabi niya, masarap daw talaga yung brand ng ice cream na yan sa Amerika. Sobrang gustong-gusto niya daw yan. Kaya lang nandito na siya sa Pilipinas. So parang nasisense niya na yung peso sa halagang 700 pesos. Actually, 30 pesos na lang ang kulang para maging 700 pesos. So parang siya din, ang hinayon siya. Sabi niya, 700 pesos para yan lang ice cream. So yun, so hindi naman siya bumili. Ito yung nabili namin sa SNR. So excited na si Michael first. Ayaw ni Michael nito. Natatakot siya, baka daw kamag-anak to ng berries. Bawal siya sa berries. So, sa akin na lang. So, what is that? Ito yung nabili namin kanina sa SNR.
This is 2% milk.
2% milk, and then?
Yeah, in America.
Where's the 98%?
The 98% of the, 2% represents the amount of fat that's still in the milk. Milk has about, I think, don't quote me on this number, but milk has something like 40% fat in it. And that would be what we call whole milk. 2% takes out most of the milk, but leaves a bit of it.
What is that? This is just for drinking,
well,
not for cooking.
In America, we use in America, this milk is used for drinking and cooking and everything like you use your milk. The reason I say don't use this for cooking because it's so expensive that if it tastes like I want, this is going to be a treat for me of home.
Okay. Yummy. Yummy.
Try it. The question is, will you like it?
Yeah, it's creamy, huh? Yeah. It's nice. It's yummy.
The problem is,
I like it, but it's expensive. I'm just gonna leave that to you.
Yeah.
Drink it.
Yeah, this milk.
Mahal pa naman yan.
When I left America, a gallon of milk was about $3.50 a gallon. This stuff comes out to about $10 a gallon. So it's more expensive than the lower 48 states. But from what people tell me, that's about what they pay for milk in Alaska. In Alaska, milk is about $10 a gallon.
Mahal niyan, 234. Naka-sale pa yan kasi 1 month na lang mag-expire na. So, parang naka-save ka ng 100. Kasi ang original price na nasa 300 plus. Grabe.
I was gonna say,
is that 2 liter?
It's close enough to 2 liters.
Yun, so 2 liter.
It's like 1.85 liters.
Okay, so rambutan ko na lang kakainin ko. Binili ko to kasi namalengke ako. Ayaw niya naman, natatakot siya kasi baka daw mag-ano siya. Isa to sa mga allergic siya. So ako na lang kakain yun.
My arm's fine, so I guess I can try that.
So guys, gumawa nga pala ako ng kubos. Ito naman, recipe ko naman to. So, Middle East na recipe na kubos. So, dahil nga meron na kaming food processor, ayan, so madali na lang kami mag-grind ng chicken. As in, ang ganda ng effect. As in, pinong-pino yung chicken. So yun, ito ang aming pananghalian ngayon. Actually, medyo nasunog pa yung pag... Hindi ko kasi nabantayan. Nag-grind ako, tapos nag-iinit pa ako ng kubos. So, yun. So, medyo nasunog-sunog pa yung aking, tortilla wrap. Yum?
Pinag-open po kay Ate Pani na abag na po kay Ate ka na may school po siya, may cabinet po siya, at saka may bed po siya, gano'n.
Beto yung sabi ka? Di ba sabi ko sa'yo, wag ka na magpalaki? Kasi wala kang tawag sa'yo.
What?
It's a big clinic. Here, relaxing. Naiwan si Casey, nasa vet pa. So, ano daw, mga alauna pa siya matatapos. Kasi ang daming nauna sa kanya, like 5 pets. Tapos pang-anim siya. So, matatapos daw siya mga 1 o'clock, 1 or 2. So, may message na lang daw nila kami. So, 10:30 pa lang, sabi ni Michael, uwi tayo or magagala, maglalakad. Pero mainit naman, sobra. So, sabi ni Michael, upo muna tayo dito. Yan. Yan, nandito kami sa may Kapitan Pepe. Actually, 7-Eleven to guys. Yan. 7-Eleven. Yan. Yan ang ating view.
How do you remove an emoji?
Ang tinapay, ano to? Makabayan. Tapos, ito ay, let's see. Yan. Small macaron. Glablab. There's a paper, huh? Tapos ito, nakalimutan ko ng tawag nito. Good? Andun yung bakery yun, dyan. Ayan. Was it good?
Not bad.
Wala kasi bakery dun sa amin, so malapit sa amin. Nasa mall yung parang bilihan ng mga tinapay. Ito talaga, literal talaga to sa bakery. Nag-8 pesos. At ayun na nga, nainip kami guys. So, nagpunta na lang kami ng mall sa may Robinson and nag-decide si Michael na magpagupit na lang. So, ayan, nagpapakalbo na siya. Tapos, kakain kami ng lunch. And eto na nga, nagsusundo na kami kay Casey. And after nito, ay uwi na. Hi, baby.
Mad at me? Huh?
Hi. Oh, you're so pretty. Hi. Yes. Oh, I like that. I like that cat.
Casey, I got your nails. We got the nails cut pretty good, didn't it? Yes, they did. Okay.
You're being good? You're being a good girl? Yes? Kisses?
Hi, kisses? No.
Come on, jump. Oh! Hi. You're back. You're pretty nice.
She was pretty to begin with.